What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. We on the road to 1,000. By this video, man, I hope we there. I hope we there by the time I post this video. But if not, hit the subscribe button, man. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, enough with all the talk, man. Let's get into it. We got a red Nike Dunk box. This is a women's release, regular box. Just walked into my local store, bro, and found these joints. Thought I'd grab them. It's a good shoe. Tag reads women's Nike Dunk Low ESS Trend. This is a size 9 women, 7.5 men, in a phantom and metallic gold colorway. Now, this shoe just caught my eye. It's very, very similar to the Team Gold Dunk I posted right before this video. Not sure which one I'm posting first, my bad. But very similar to the Team Gold Dunk that I just picked up as well. This is the Team Gold Dunk that I'm speaking of. And here we have the women's Nike Dunk Low. I guess the color would be Phantom Gold or Phantom Metallic or something like that. This is the name of the shoe. Now, like I said, man, this is a women's release. It's a very neutral shoe, man. White and tan upper, smooth leather all the way around. But it does have this metallic gold swoosh right here. And with this women's release that went with the satin-ish type of laces. This isn't your regular laces that we usually get on Dunks. Now, getting to the tongue, man, it has the Nike embossed in a metallic gold with the cut and sew style tongue tag. I like that style of tag they've been using on a lot of the women's Dunks lately. Getting to the back of the shoe, it's the smooth tan right there. And then they have the gold metallic embossed in as well to match the swoosh on the side and to match the gold on the tongue. This is a solid pair, super neutral, bro. When I posted these joints, a lot of ladies hit me asking about them. And I think this will be a nice hit for the ladies. I think they'll like these joints a lot. And it's a good shoe. It's a nice dunk. Now, it does have a pure white midsole. And it has like a soft tan outsole, bro. Like a very neutral, like I mentioned earlier. This is a nice dunk, man. Getting to the inside on that tag, it has a tan insole, tan sock liner with the white Nike pressed on there. These joints are clean, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. With it being a women's release, they do stop at a men's 10.5 or a women's 12. So all my guys oversized 10.5, we're out of luck on this one. But get it for your lady, or if you're 10.5 and down, I say grab these for yourself, bro. Dunks are a neutral shoe, man. This is a neutral color. It has a little gold in it if you don't mind, but still a very nice shoe, in my opinion, man. Getting to the left shoe, man, it's pretty much the same on both sides, man. No flaws or anything like that. One thing I do want to accent is this like shiny-ish sock liner. I'm not sure what material that is, but it is like a shiny nylon, a nice touch. I guess they're trying to cater to the women. It is a women's shoe, but I guess they're trying to make it a little more feminine, but very subtle at the same time. It's not just shrink it and pink it like a lot of the women's shoes that they've been doing lately as far as Dunks or older releases, but this one is solid, man. This one is solid. It's very neutral. Ladies definitely can get a fit off with it with their gold accessories and things like that, bro. And I know this will be a good seller for a lot of people in the resale business. And as far as wearing and as far as ladies want these or the young kids want these, this one is going to be a hit when they do a bigger release. I don't think these released on Nike yet. I'm pretty sure these were only like Shoe Palaces, maybe City Gears and things like that. I don't think these released at Foot Locker yet. Maybe they have, but I'm not sure. I don't think they released on Nike yet either, but definitely a good shoe. Good shoe to have, good shoe to buy, good shoe to sell. Very neutral, bro. I like this joint a lot, man. Y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints, bro. Are they heat, hype, drip, flip, skip? Leave me a comment, bro. Just give me your honest opinion down below. I want to hear about it. Let me know. Now, as far as pricing on these joints, man, retail is 110 bucks, just like your regular old Dunks. 119 out the door with taxes in Texas. As far as resale, they're going for 140 to 165. Nothing too crazy. Very affordable for sure, whether you're getting them for retail or you're getting them in the aftermarket paying resale. A good shoe, decently priced, man. And I think it really looks good, man. I think this shoe really looks good. I can see a lot of ladies putting these joints off, man. It's neutral, hits of gold, can match your accessories, but still you can dress up your outfit a lot more with it. And I think you'll see a lot of people wearing these coming very soon, man. I can see that happening very soon. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing of this Nike Dunk Low. This is a women's release. Colorway is Phantom and Metallic Gold, man. If you want them, I say grab them. They're cheap, not too expensive. Grab them for your lady. Good gift, friendly on the pockets, and it's a clean shoe, man. So y'all let me know how you guys are feeling. Hopefully you grab them if you want them. If not, let them fly by. No harm, no foul, bro. Just a regular old dunk, man. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special. Just wanted to give you guys a view of these joints, man. If you like them, hopefully this video encourages you to buy them. If you don't like them, hope this video just settled that feeling of you not wanting them to begin with, man. But like I said, that's gonna wrap it up for this one, man. Until next time on the next video, got the Nike Dunk Low and the Phantom and Metallic Gold colorway. Peace.